All right, you guys, I got some Club C Cardi B Reeboks and I wanted to show you guys. So I do have the brand new ones that just came out. Okay, they're right here. There's a little sneak peek for you guys right here, but I did want to show you guys. I did get the model before this one, which is right here. And then this is the more like the old school Reeboks box. Okay, so it says Club C double, so they're called the double. These are size 8.5 women's. Okay, the SKU is FZ5219, and these are pretty sick, but I thought they were gonna do a lot better. They pretty much ended up being bricks for me. So like, you guys, like, I think it's pretty sick color, right? So I was gonna get it for the wifey just in case the resale game didn't didn't make out, but the thing is they're not her size. So I was like, man, I'm pretty much stuck with this Cardi B shoe until it sells. So as you guys can see, it does look pretty sick. I do like it. I like the fact that you can see that, that plasticky, leathery look that it got going on. And, Cardi B's, out there. So, she's going to have something nice like this. So this is the prior pair, right? And you guys already seen the box and everything. But let me show you guys. So this box actually looks pretty sick. And if you guys could see, it says Cardi B right here. It has the Reebok symbol. Okay, we go over here. It's a Club C Cardi Women's. So the SKU here is H01011. And let me show you guys what's going on here. And you guys, they dropped in all kinds of colors. They had yellow, they had that chalk white, they had red. So these are actually the pink ones right here, right? You guys, these are pretty sick, you gotta admit. So I do like that it's see-through right here on this side. And like, look at the heel, looks crazy. You do have that suede running from all the way around. As you guys can see right here, got the suede. Okay, we do have the cloth back here. We have the tongue. We do have a little bit of black right here, right? And so the insole is actually pink too. So this whole thing just matches. And then on the other side, you can see it's clear. So you better be wearing some pink socks or something, or else your foot's gonna sweat, or they're gonna see right through it right here. So I actually got these in the wife's size, right? So they're for her Valentine's Day present. And so she does not know I got these. She does know that I resell, but I did check the market and I was like, these are doing good on some resale. I don't know about giving it to her for a present, but no, I gotta give these to her, you guys. These are sick. I showed it to her, trying to be top secret, and she was like, oh, those are pretty cool. So she doesn't normally wear loud stuff like this, but I'm like, hey, I wanted to give her a good present, and this is gonna be it right here. So you guys can see it's all nice and shiny. You guys, this is crazy. Let me make sure it doesn't come with some other laces. No other laces, so it does come with that pink lace. It was a toss-up between this or the red pair. And I did get them on Foot Locker, and I got them like right at 7 o'clock when it released. I am on the West Coast in San Diego, so they do release at 7 o'clock in the morning. And I got on there, I got her size, I picked them, I checked out with no problem. And then I seen on the Twitter sphere that there was like, oh, the bots ate up all the shoes. The bots ate up all the shoes. Like, I don't have a bot yet, but I am gonna be in that space. So I'm not gonna talk bad about bots, but it's not always the bots. You just gotta be on there early. You gotta hurry up and check out. You gotta be quick with it. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. So this is the Cardi B's. Hope you guys like this video. Like, subscribe, and comment down below.